Picking up where we left off, consider how you use critical thinking in the academic setting. You may have had a critical thinking assignment in some of your previous classes. That really dilutes your educational experience. You should be using critical thinking in every aspect of every course you take. Your instructors assess your critical thinking in a myriad of ways. You need to think quickly, on your feet, when participating in class activities and general class participation, like when you get called on, when you didn't raise your hand, and you need to respond with meaningful and accurate responses. Your assignments also require critical thought in multiple ways. Discussions require original thought for your original post, but critical analysis in your responses to classmates. Test questions challenge your ability to either interpret a question and the option choices, or in a short answer or essay question, your skills in understanding the problem presented and the appropriate information that substantiates your response. Homework assignments require you to take classroom information and textbook concepts and apply them to a situation or question. Instructors use Bloom's taxonomy to help students build critical thinking skills, from basic knowledge leading progressively to critical and creative thoughts. Make sure to watch the video about Bloom's taxonomy to get a better understanding. Take a moment to review the strategies used by lecturers and reflect on what you could learn from them based on what we just reviewed. Consider your strategies. Do you actively engage in critical thought? Have you ever taken the time to actually think about how you think? As mentioned previously, Paul and Elder describe aspects that contribute to the process of critical thinking and traits that develop as a result. Make sure to watch the Elements of Thought video in content. It provides a brief explanation of what these are and how they work together. An essential element of critical thought is open-mindedness. Even if it isn't your nature, you can hone that skill. Take a moment and think about something important to you, a belief you're passionate about. Where did it come from? You need to question yourself constantly. Self-awareness assists you with understanding your motivation, perspective, and even potential biases and stereotypes. Make sure to watch the video and content that provides an overview of Paul and Elder's intellectual standards that complements these ideas. We all have obstacles we need to actively engage and battle daily. Throughout the semester, we will be revisiting many of the barriers to good critical thinking. Review these discussed in your textbook. Criticism is often an inaccurate designation or misnomer. When someone offers advice that's really an insult in disguise, that's not criticism. When you disapprove of someone or something based on perceived faults or mistakes, it is criticism, but it is biased to the negative and not necessarily very helpful or educational. However, when that evaluation is a result of the analysis and judgment of both the merits and the faults of something, you have critical analysis and meaningful criticism. It allows for constructive criticism. We will get more into this as the semester goes on. Make sure to review the aspects that challenge our abilities to criticize, dispute, or contest views different from our own. Finally, take a few moments to do some self-discovery. By understanding where you are now, you can consider these aspects as we discuss various strategies throughout the semester.